How to make a quick and easy carrot cake. In a bowl, we're going to go ahead and combine all our dry ingredients: flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, mixed spice and salt. Using a whisk, you're going to mix the dry ingredients and add the walnuts. Pour the sunflower oil into your dry ingredients and add 2 lightly beaten eggs. Using a spatula, you're going to mix it through until you get a nice and smooth batter. Set this aside and finally grate some carrots. Add the carrots into the bowl and fold in until everything is evenly combined. Grease and flour your loaf tin and pour your cake batter in. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for an hour. For the frosting, add some butter and cream cheese into a bowl and whisk until combined. Add the icing sugar and fold that in with a spatula. Add some vanilla essence and whisk until your frosting is nice and smooth. When the cake is done, allow it to cool down and then place it on a cake stand for decorating. Spoon the cream cheese frosting onto your cake and spread it evenly. Decorate with some nuts and your cake is ready to serve. For the full written recipe, visit avaresekitchen.co.uk. If you do get to try out this recipe, please come back and post your pictures in the comment section and I'll be sure to check them out. Don't forget to like, comment and share.